exactly is a mentally healthy person? So, a mentally healthy person is someone who is able to cope with his life stresses, think clearly, and contribute to their community. Pero dali lang pala, anay, kay ma-present pa kami sa imo, di ways para mga isa ka mentally healthy person.
The first one is connect with other people. Good relationships make you feel connected, supported, and valued, while giving you the chance to share positive moments and uplift others.
Second one is be physically active. Being physically active benefits both physical health and mental well-being. It boosts self-esteem, aids in goal setting and achievement, and induces chemical changes in the brain and that can enhance mood.
The third one is paying attention to the present moment. Mindfulness, paying attention to the present moment, improves mental well-being and self-understanding.
The fourth one is learn new skills. Learning new skills boosts mental well-being by fostering purpose, self-esteem, and social connections. And lastly is give to others. Engaging in acts of giving and kindness can boost mental well-being by fostering a sense of purpose and self-esteem, whether through small gestures toward others or larger efforts. These actions help build connections and create positive, rewarding emotions.
Tayo minabalaan ka na. Kabalo ka na sa 5 ways. Tayo mentally stable ka na. Kaya mo na lang yung pamatigin. Always remember, mental health is not a destination, but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you are going. Te, I hope you learned something.